Hello everyone and welcome back to Dynamics Academy. This is yet another video in a feature a day video series. In this video series we will cover the new features that were released with Microsoft Dynamics 365 9.0 version. On your screen you are able to see the various new features that were released in 9.0 version of Dynamics 365. We will see each of these feature in detail per video in this series. And at the same time, we will also see the various deprecations that are going to happen with Dynamics 365 9.0 version release. So this series is going to be very much useful and informative. So let us now see the feature that we are going to cover in this video. In this video, we will see yet another major deprecation that has been announced with Microsoft Dynamics 365 version 9.0, which is Silverlight Web Resources. Yes, you have heard right. Silverlight Web Resources are now deprecated. My name is Abhishek Doria and I will be your host in this video. So let us now begin. Video will first see what was the situation till now, means what was Silverlight. We'll first try to get an overview what was this feature, and then we will see what will be the impact once this feature is deprecated, and I will show you a demo of where exactly you will feel this change once it is deprecated, and at the end I will show you the list of useful references as well. So Silverlight web resources are easily created using web resource form by entering the name, display name, and by selecting the Silverlight as the type of this web resource and uploading the .xap file. Till now, you can have multiple different types of web resources, and Silverlight was one of them. However, because Silverlight web resources typically provide some interaction with contextual data in Dynamics 365 for customer engagement, you should plan how you create your web resources. And going forward, Microsoft has announced that Silverlight web resources is deprecated on the web client and it is not supported on unified interface. And instead of Silverlight web resources, you must use custom controls created using HTML web resources with HTML5 to create UI components to visualize and interact with data. So having said that, let me now show you where exactly you will feel this change once it is deprecated. So this is my trial instance, and if you want to create a new web resource, then you need to navigate to the settings area by clicking this gear icon and click on advanced settings, and it will open this default business management setting. Again, click on this downward arrow, click on the customizations area, and here click customize the system. It will open the default solution page. Here you will find a place called web resources. Click on that link. It will open all the existing web resources in the system. And at the same time, if you want to create a new one, then click on this new button. You need to give name. Then you need to select the type of this web resource. In this case, you need to select Silverlight. Right now, this option is still available. That means at the time of recording this video, this feature is still available, but going ahead, this feature or this type of web resources will be removed from this place, and you will not be able to create any web resources of Silverlight type. Having said that, this will be the change, but this is the place that you will notice this change once it is deprecated. Having said that, on your screen you are able to see the different tool references which you can use for your studies or reference purposes. On that note, I will end this video and I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Dynamics Academy, and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. And on that note, I end this video and take your leave. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And once again, thank you for your time.